Hello everyone, it's Logan Addicts, and today I will show you how to adjust the flash rate of your Wheelock MT-24-LSM. I think I said that correctly. The MT-24-LSM. Now I said it correctly, if I didn't say it the first time. The strobe's a little bit yellowed, like the plastic. I don't know if it appears that way on the camera, but in real life it's kind of yellow. It's 1575 Candela. It's rebranded by Fenwall, so that's pretty cool, I guess. Right there, Fenwall. It is the 24-LSM. Again, I don't know if the camera's liking to focus, but this thing doesn't like to focus at all, but it is the 24-LSM. So grab a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver and untighten the screws here and here, the top and bottom of the strobe. So I'm going to stick my screwdriver in here. Just going to start undoing it. You can also use a drill if you can manage to fit it in there. Screws aren't that long. Maybe they're about 3/4 of an inch. Alright, yep, we got one. Don't lose that, so I'm sticking my screws to a magnet. It also magnetizes them for when I need to re-put them in, or put them back in. Now with this one on the bottom, sometimes it's kind of feisty. Depends on how old your unit is. But, can you do it this way? You can't. You cannot. So then also unscrew this way, and you'll see the strobe is coming off now, so just unscrew this. I mean, technically, if you want to remove the strobe, this is how you do it. Because you remove the strobe in the process. I think it works a similar way for the Edwards 89 something B, like 89XB. Like I said X because it could be anything. So now you essentially just have a Wheelock MT horn right here, and you have a strobe. Strobe goes right here. So now go in here, and so I don't have a light. Is this a light? It is not a light. But basically, let me get a flashlight here. You might not be able to focus. It might not focus very well, but down here, you can see there is a little potentiometer right about there. Like here. Let me get the flashlight here or something. Basically, right down here, there is a tiny little potentiometer, or however you pronounce it, right there where I'm pointing with my thumb. Now, if you turn that, then it will adjust the flash rate of your strobe. So, let me just turn on my power supply right here to turn on the strobe. This thing is really bright. Don't shock yourself. But if I turn this, then it should change the speed. You typically need a small screwdriver, so this may not work well. So I actually made it flash faster. So, alright, I'm going to unplug that and let's see if I can find something smaller. You might be able to use a key or something. One sec. Flash is fast now. Don't touch any of the things on the inside except for the potentiometer, because that would be bad. Oh yeah. This is bright. I think that's as fast as it can go. And then of course you can make it go slower, just turn it the other way. And that's as slow as it can go. How slow that is. Alright. So yeah, just set it to your desired setting. I don't know if I want it to flash fast or slow. I kind of like faster strobes. Or if you need to sync it with something, like this is the LSM, but there's a syncable version called the SLM. So I'm going to see if I can sync this to 60 flashes, because I want to sync it, well, not completely sync it, but I want it to like match up with my RSS. So that's too slow. It's cool though, because you can it's a little slower. I don't know. I'm going to set it to as fast as I can. This thing is pretty bright. 1575 candela, so it's pretty bright. Now let's unplug this. And now I'm going to reinstall my screws. So, where did they go? The magnet. Come on. Oh, they stuck to each other. Insert through the hole. Whoop, right there. And you can just match it up. You can hand thread it if you want, or just do that. Alright, and now let's get the other screw. That's way crooked. That's really crooked. Alright, now let's put in this other screw in the bottom. Right here. Make sure it's tight, pretty tight, if you don't want your strobe to be jiggly, as it was last time. So it's in place pretty good. I don't know why it shakes around like that. It might be the terminals. Something shakes around. I don't know what it is, but something shakes around. So now if I plug it in, it'll flash normally. So let's move this back here. Let's move, not normally, but it'll flash to the flash rate you set it to. So plug it in and watch the magic. Flashes pretty fast. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully this video helped you, and I'm probably going to have some more fireworm tutorials in the future. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video, and have a nice day.